All right, okay. We're back for the Create Together live stream for today. Sadly, Peter couldn't make it to the interview we had. We were supposed to have an hour ago, but yeah, hopefully we can rearrange a new time where we can meet. Hey Kilua, Eric, what up? What up? I actually just downloaded your scene. Let me get straight into that. Desktop. Alright, so Eric submitted this cool render here. car in a field. Oh, those lightning effects in the sky are pretty cool. Let's look at that again. Wait, did I just imagine the lightning strikes? There were no lightning? Okay, there was no lightning. I guess I imagined that. But yeah, it looks very somber, very calming. I like this vibe. I would love to be there myself. Alex, yeah, what happened? I feel like there was something happening that looked like a lightning strike, right? Because like it looked like something was happening here in the sky. That's strange. Maybe it was just like a weird overlay bug. Yo, Kartik, what's up? Alright. Yeah, with that, I would say, yeah, let's open it up and see what we can do. I mean, I think it already looks really nice. So I would just like play around with it a little bit, see what other ideas or whatever things we can do with it. But actually, let's see what you wrote. If you have time to give me a little feedback, my little test project, it would be awesome. Mainly for the lightning or set design. About the XR problem I had, we can maybe talk in the next Fusion session. Then I sent in the project files. Okay, I see. Yeah, let's go with some lightning ideas then. Got the rain going over a dark cloud that made me think of a lightning strike. What can we do? Adding a lightning strike casually. Yeah, now that we all had that idea, I think we should try that. Let's see. Let's open it up. Kartik, everything's great here, drowning in work. What about you? Oh damn, man. I mean, I hope your the work is good though. I hope it's a nice job you're doing. Eric says if you work now on it, I have maybe 2 things I would have added there, but was too bad to realize it. Better rain, so maybe it splashes on the car. Maybe animate the plants, so maybe the wind blows them a little. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a lot we can do to like make this feel more alive. Even though I think like what you already have is really cool. So let's just see how we can extend it. Oh, there's a lot of foliage. It makes even my PC lag a little bit. Is there a way to turn some of this stuff off? All of these geoscatter, I guess. Ah, yes, it's geoscatter. Okay, wait, let me open my workspace here so I can work how I usually do it. Okay, there we go. Actually pretty excited to see how well this looks with the new Eevee. With Eevee Next, let's see. It calculates the shaders here. Oh, it looks like I don't have the environment map though. Ah, dude, I'm missing the environment map. Oh, is it in the folder? I just need to reconnect it. This is a car. Okay, yeah, send it over. Wondering what these cubes are here. These come some kind of like placeholders from the geoscatter. Oh, it's turned so I can't select it. Okay, now I can select it. Ah, okay, kids, please. Yeah. Okay, that's a lot of vegetation. Wow. Yeah, we'll definitely only activate those for the render. I have to upload them again to retransfer. I have no DC Nitro sadly. Ah, okay, man. I actually upgraded our whole server to level 2, so everybody should be able to upload up to 50 megabytes onto the Discord server now. I think that's how it works. I see. I see, that's still over 50 megabytes. Okay, it's connected.
Bro, that's a whole lot of vegetation.
Oh yeah, all the vegetation.
Oh my god.
Makes my PC lag too. It's really a lot.
I would not want to open that one.
Okay, here we go. Alright, now I want to see how EV Next makes this look though. With the real HDR, because EV Next can can create shadows from HDRIs, right? That's what I've heard.
Yes, it can. It's
Nice.
amazing.
Very, very nice.
I've heard some people complain about that it uses a whole lot of VRAM though, so
Mm-hmm.
I haven't personally had a chance to try it myself because I had a lot of work, but I hope it's not like that.
We can check that right now. Let's see. Open up the task view here. Oh, it's still fine. It's like, I mean, it uses around like 5 gigabytes of VRAM.
Okay, that's yeah, for that amount of foliage, that's great.
Yeah, it's not terrible. That's okay. Okay, but I definitely have to. Wait, actually, yeah, let's switch into cycles view here. Let's see.
Fingers crossed, doesn't crash.
Please. How are you doing recently, Alex?
I'm doing great. I've paused some of my personal work to work on a kind of like a stylistic, cell shading music video for a friend.
Ah, okay.
With some cool cars and lighting. I might post a few work in progress shots. You know, you're always down to criticize, so I'm always down to improve. You know, we can never stop improving, right? So
Yeah.
could be great if we can have that.
Yeah, for sure. Send it over when you want to share something.
Yeah, I don't have something yet, but I'll have soon. Maybe for the next one.
Yeah, for next week, for Monday.
Yeah,
Yes,
and yeah,
nice.
how are you?
Yeah, very, very good actually. I mean, everything's going pretty nice, pretty good so far. Yeah. I'm having fun with school. I'm doing a bunch of stuff in Berlin with my friends. We've got a very good weather now.
Oh
So
yeah.
yeah, it's good. I'm still not seeing the render here.
Oh boy.
Is it loading slow? Like my
Can you?
GPU? It's not really
What does
anything.
the Blender console say?
I can imagine it's like calculating the kernels again. Let's see.
GPU texture, Blender texture not loaded. Interesting.
GPU. What does that mean? I don't think I know what that means. Alright, let's see. Right, Eric says I'm working on my coin submission at the moment. Oh, awesome! Very excited to see that. Hope to finish it till Monday. My girlfriend is already angry that I spent so much time on the PC lately. Yeah, understandable.
That's so funny.
There's just so much to do in the 3D world. It's so enticing. Katik says, ooh, cell shading. That's cool. I'm learning stylized rendering in New Houdini 20.5. Oh, did they add some cell shading features to Houdini? Or are you just learning it now?
No, I think Houdini always had some cell shading features.
I think, like, I saw from like a conference recently though that they presented something about cell shading and stuff, but I'm not sure if that's like new features or if that was just like a general talk about it. But I'm just gonna see if I just render a frame what it tells me if it does it.
I think Arnold has the best toon shader engine for
Oh, really?
stuff like that. Yeah. It's really go in depth with it. I mean, Blender's pretty cool. You can get really creative with it, and obviously you can get more out of it with geometry nodes now. But out of the box, I think Arnold is like the best right now.
Interesting. I've never worked with Arnold, but Arnold, is it GPU based at this point? Because I remember it always being CPU renderer.
It was always CPU. The thing is, they have, I believe it has GPU acceleration now, but I don't think it's like purely GPU biased. You know, I haven't really tried that much of it, but regardless, I don't think it's as fast as I don't know, like cycles when you put on a GPU or Octane or Redshift.
Yeah, no, from what I've heard, like Arnold like is like extremely good, like for photorealism and apparently for cel shading too, but like yeah, it's just
Yeah,
much slower.
yeah. I think Arnold comes with Maya, right, and 3ds Max. It's like their native renderer, I think now.
That could be, yeah.
I know it comes as a plugin render for a lot of engines. Not sure Blender. Maybe Blender supports Arnold as well. But I know
Oh,
you can get Arnold rendered for Cinema 4D as well.
oh yeah, it's actually loading the render kernels. That's what it did.
Oh,
Just
damn.
the problem is just like in the viewport, if you go into the render mode, it doesn't show you
Oh
this kind
yeah,
of
yeah.
like
That you
thing
can
all the
look at the
time.
overlay. Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Eric, achievement unlocked. Crashing Calva's monster PC with my shitty Blender file. we should have that as an achievement on the server. I mean, I can actually create an achievement for that, but I don't want people to strive for that. That seems a bit counterproductive. And Kartik says it's like they improved the previous one. They had one. Ah, I see. So they improved the cell shading features in Houdini. Then that's good.
Great.
That's
I
cool
love
to
Houdini.
hear. Actually, a friend of mine, he worked on a short film. Wait, Luciano. Was Luciano? I worked with him on the last on the music video project that I did. And I think he was on the conference to like talk about cell shading.
Interesting.
Let's see. So, yeah, he worked on like a... Oh yeah, this one, freelance. It actually looks really cool.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, you've seen it? You've seen the short film? I haven't seen the full one yet. They're showing it only in festivals, right? Oh, my bad, not this one. Okay, I see. Not this one. But yeah, I think I saw him presenting this on some kind of Houdini conference.
Great. I actually have like just found an old footage because this was a delayed project that started like last year, but the original client had to pause it, and we're doing it right now and adding more on top of it. So I found some footage for the cell shading, I guess music video that I'm doing.
Uh-huh.
And I can post it here. You can see what if you like it or not. I guess.
Sure, yeah. Let's look at it after we
Of course.
get some ideas for this.
Of course.
Let's see. Okay, now it should work. Oh, so I'll load in the HDRI again. Oh, Kartik wants to show an amazing thing. Okay. Let's see an amazing thing. Okay, that's cool. So I guess it should work now, even with the geoscatter, right? Oh, actually, I'm getting some messages from Peter. Let's see. His alarm didn't go off. Okay. He asked if we still want to do it. I think it would be cool if we could still do the interview with Peter today. Okay, let's I'll ask him to join the call, and then we can kind of like switch over, and after maybe we just do a little bit longer today, so we can still have both. Yeah, I'll ask him.
Kartik says that he sent you a DM, I guess, regarding the amazing thing.
The amazing thing. Alright. Okay, yeah, let's see, let's say. When Peter joins, I'm gonna switch to intermission for a moment. Just like quickly talk with him how we're gonna continue. But yeah, hopefully we will get the interview today. That would be very nice. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we can't see anything? Wait, what's happening?
That is crazy.
Eric, you're really crashing my Blender setup here.
I want to know what this man was using when he made this. I really don't want to. Like, I just got a 3090, and I'm scared for this project file.
So scary. That's strange. I only see. I mean, usually it's this color when the render has not started yet, right? But
yeah, it hasn't started yet. How about maybe you reduce some of the scatters, I guess, scatter groups, and try to render it?
Yeah, let's just turn it off for now. Eric says on my trash PC it worked with no problem. Haha, even with the scatters on. Damn, are you telling me even like the viewport with the scatter it was much more fluid than this for you? That would be crazy. What kind of PC do you have? Looking from
apparently it's a trash PC. Yes.
Yes. Wow. Okay. Maybe I need the geoscatter add-on because I don't think I have it. Maybe the add-on itself like helps to make it run smoother. Oh, now it starts.
Here we go.
Okay. All right, cool. I guess we can work like this now. But yeah, I'm really confused why it's running much smoother for you than for me. Okay, so I'm still wondering what these blobs here are, though.
I think their foliage is just in low poly mode, so they prevent less render, I guess, lagginess in the viewports. But in the final render, they're like fully.
How do I switch them? How do I switch them though? Like because I think even when I start rendering it, I think it was still the blocky version.
Let's see.
Oh no, actually it's not. Okay.
It's like that. It's crazy how fast it renders here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's actually pretty fast, just 8 seconds per frame. Okay.
For that much amount of stuff, yeah, that is crazy. How does it? Do we see how it looks in EV Next, or?
Yeah, we can.
Do we not dare?
Let's see. Oh, okay. It's pretty laggy, and it actually doesn't look. I mean, these kind of like these blocks kind of like confuse me. They really pull me out of the scene anyways. So
Yeah.
let's see. I guess it looks pretty similar.
Yeah. Did we also enable like you have to enable ray tracing and everything in the settings now?
Let's see. Oh yeah, ray tracing is not on. Okay, let's try turning it on.
And I think there's methods, and if you open the folder, screen trace, and I think there's global illumination as well that you need to enable.
That was oh yeah, it has global
It's already
illumination.
enabled.
Okay.
Okay, well, it's pretty cool now, I guess. Like when it comes to compare the cycles, it's all right.
Yeah, it looks. I mean, it looks much better than it used to. It's definitely much
that's
closer.
definitely true.
I kind of want to see how it looks with the brighter sky. Okay, no, that's not nice. Damn, this is so slow. I don't want to work like this. Why is it so slow? Maybe it is the GeoScatter add-on. Let me see if I can download it. I think I got it from the Blender Market.
Well, I have to dip out. I thought I'd say hi and just hi to the stream, I guess. And I'll be watching in the background, but I have some work to do. So
All right. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for coming by, man. Have a great day.
yeah,
See you soon.
have a great stream.
Thank you.
All right, bye bye.
Bye bye. GeoScatter. Oh no, I actually haven't bought it yet. I think I got it from a friend last time I had it installed, but I probably still have it on my old Blender version, but not on the new one. But I can probably just copy paste the add-on files over to the new Blender. I'm sorry, you need to make a stream about optimizing working in Blender. Yeah, I'm actually planning on doing that, just like a workflow video in general. Didn't use GeoScatter, just the free biome reader. Biomes. Wait, what? So this is, why is it called GeoScatter though? Just the free biomes reader. What do you mean with that? Is there like a plugin that has a few GeoScatter libraries inside? How does this work? Okay, wait. Okay, so I think in this Blender version I have GeoScatter. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So I should be able to just copy it over, right? Yeah, let's try that. Okay, so I'm gonna just hack the old add-ons in the new Blender version. So let's see. Going to navigate to that path. Program files. Oh, it's app data, right. Right, maybe that's a bit sensitive. I'm gonna do that off screen. App data. Roaming, already in roaming. Blender Foundation, Blender 4.1. Okay, let's see. Alright, okay, send me a link. Just get biomes. Ah, okay, you got some of these here for free. Okay, but I do have the old GeoScatter script, so I'm gonna try to just copy that over and see what happens. Script, add-ons, GeoScatter, there we go. Maybe I'll keep this open in case I want to copy over another add-on. Extensions. Oh, is it because they changed? Because when I installed Blender 4.2, it didn't give me the option like usually to copy over the old data. Maybe it's because they changed how add-ons are installed. We still have this add-ons thing here where that I used for a Blender kit. So where's that installed now? Extensions. Okay, it's in extensions now instead of add-ons or extensions. User default. Okay, so I guess this is the add-ons folder now. Okay, let's see, I'm copying over Geoscatter. Then it should show up, I guess. Refresh. Geoscatter is not a supported module name. Oh, damn, doesn't work. Okay, need to reinstall it properly. That's a bit annoying. Okay, Eric, I think I'm gonna set that stuff up maybe later when I'm offline. So I'm not sure how well I can work with your project right now. Yeah. Let me set this up. Yeah, offline, and then I'll come back to this on Monday, hopefully. Yeah, because it's a bit confusing to me right now. I need to figure some things out. We don't have any other submissions, right? Yeah, Eric is the only one left right now. No problemo. Alright. Something that I thought of, I wanted to maybe use the time here to also finish up my Blender, my coin challenge render. Because I'm pretty far with it, but not 100% happy with it yet. So let's maybe figure that out together. Coin challenge. V4 test. I like this one. I think. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Eric says, I have my coin scene done so far, but I'm confused how I do the camera animation for it. Uh-huh. What are you confused about? Like, do you want to get some input? You want to work on your coin scene together? Oh, it's Peter. Alright, I'm gonna switch to intermission for a moment to talk with Peter. One sec. Alright guys, okay, so we're gonna do the interview with Peter. He's down for it, he feels ready. Yeah, so I'll restart the stream in a moment and we will do the interview in around 10 minutes. Alright, then let's